Hello parents, you have been asking some questions about the Everyday Math website and I am here to get you started. My name is Allison and I'm one of the technology coaches at St. Francis Xavier School. When you log in to Everyday Math, this is the home screen which will get you to just about everywhere you need. This blue box right here that says Go To Lesson will show you today's lesson and all of the previous lessons that your child has learned. It will not let you go into the future. If I click the bottom blue bar here, it highlights. It will go back a couple days, and if I click here, it'll keep moving me forward until I get to today's lesson. If I click the middle bar, I'll look at some of the things your child might be doing in school, some of the games they might play, the math message of the day. It will even show you the math boxes that they did in school, as well as the problems on the home link. However, this is not the best way to look at the home link. I will show you more of that later. So let me go back to the home screen. So let's take a look at some of the other features here. If I go to this My Reference book, this is a book that will allow your students to take a look at different vocabulary words and give examples of the different problems they have. The easiest way to take a look is to open the cover, click a few times. You will eventually get to the table of contents. Kind of hard to read, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And then let's say I want some help using subtraction fact strategies. So that's on page 48. So I'm going to go down here to the page number bar, type in 48, hit return, and I'm going to have all of the different subtraction fact strategies presented here. We're going to close this window so that we end up back at our home page. We have the Toolkit, which can be kind of fun. These are a lot of the manipulatives that your student will be using in school. If I click here where it says eTools, I'll come up with some of the different tools that they use. One of my favorites being base 10 blocks. If I click on base 10 blocks, down here you'll see the different base 10 blocks. What I really love about this is I can take a flat, drag it out. I get this little hammer tool over here. If I click it, now my flats turn to longs. If I click on this tool, now my longs turn to ones. I can select everything by highlighting it all and throw it in the trash. And then I can start over. So I'm going to close the tab again. There are some tutorial videos for some of the different pages in the student reference book. So those you'll find here. Some of the games your child might play. The games are really cool. The skill builder games are for review. The second grade games are the ones that they will be learning in second grade or whatever grade level that they're at. And then the challenge games are a little bit more challenging. If I click the 2-player option over here, it will show me games that I can play with another person, whether it be a parent or another student. So you can keep clicking through the different types of games to be able to play those. I'm going to close that tab again. One of the things that might be the most important for everyone at home is this EM at home. Here you will find the directions for the games that were played in school, the family letter, which gives you some ideas on how to help your student solve the problems that they're working on, and today's home link. If I click on this, it will give me a printable version of the today's home link in case I have misplaced my home link book. I hope this helps you navigate the Everyday Mathematics website a little easier.